Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war affairs. Viewers, a statement from the military command of the Tigray army about the last battle in Kashina. More than 80,000 soldiers of Abiy Ahmed, the Amhara Special Forces, the Amhara National Army, and other special militias were destroyed. A number of Fano and Amhara militias participated in the operation, including 11 regiments and 7 brigades of the Amhara Special Forces. 80,000 is a big number. But to clarify, when a statement is issued by the military command of the Tigrayan forces with the mention of the destruction numbers by the enemy, it means that it includes all of these following words: killing, he was seriously injured, escaped, in other words, he is out of service, and more than 80,000 soldiers will not return. This is how war are counted in general. On the other hand, witnesses say Tigrayan forces in Ethiopia retook Lalibela United Nations heritage site. Tigrayan forces have recaptured the town of Lalibela in Ethiopia. Less than 2 weeks after government forces and their allies took control, witnesses told Reuters on Sunday. Lalibela is a town in the Amhara region and a United Nations World Heritage Site. Government spokesperson Leges Tulu did not respond to requests for the comment on the reported recapture the town by forces loyal to the Tigray People Liberation Front. TPLF spokesperson Getachew Reda also did not respond to a phone call comment. One of the witnesses who spoke to Reuters said that special forces from the Amhara region and their militias allies, both of whom are allies of the Ethiopian government, began leaving Lalibela on Saturday night. The last batch left this morning. We heard gunshots from a distance last night, but the Tigrayan forces recaptured Lalibela without firing guns in the town, said the witness by phone. Forces aligned with the TPLF had taken control of the town in early August. But on December 1st, Ethiopian troops and their Amhara regional allies recaptured the town. That news was one of a number of reported gains on the battlefield against the Tigrayan forces, who had in November pushed south and threatened to march on Ethiopia capital Addis Ababa. The year-old conflict between the federal government and the leadership of the northern region of Tigray has killed thousands of civilians, forced millions to flee their homes, and made more than 9 million people dependent on food aid. A second witness told Reuters on Sunday that residents had begun fleeing the town. TPLF forces are now patrolling the town wearing their uniforms, the witness said. So, viewers, according to the latest news, is that the Tigray Defense Force have recaptured Lalibela amidst a series of ongoing abuses and counterattacks occurring near Kashina. Heavy fighting is ongoing near the B22 highway. So, viewers, this is the latest update about it. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.